The foundation of any plan within Right Capital begins with the initial data entry process. Step 3, Savings, represents ongoing contributions made to the client's net worth on an annual basis. This allows Right Capital software to adjust the client's invested assets according to their future contributions. The savings cards within Right Capital include 401k, IRA, Roth, and other retirement plans. As a default, there will be a 401k savings card, but these can be deleted and replaced by any additional savings. The 401k card is a good representation of the customization available. Here, you can indicate the client's savings as well as the employer matching schedule. Contributions to the employer retirement plan will always be included within the projection, even if there is insufficient cash flow to fund the contributions from the employee. 401k savings can be entered as either a percentage of the salary income or an annual dollar amount. This can be adjusted within the target drop-down menu. If a percentage of salary is selected, it will multiply the percentage by the value in the respective salary cards on the income screen. Use the max option to have the system calculate the maximum allowable contributions for that savings type based on IRS guidelines. If the client is self-employed, check the self-employment checkbox. The savings will reflect a percentage of the self-employment income rather than salary and flow through to the tax projections as self-employment savings. For employer matching, indicate a primary match, secondary match, or flat match, all as a percentage of salary indicated within the salary card. If you enter a flat percentage match or flat dollar match, Right Capital will contribute the indicated percentage of salary or dollar amount irrespective of what the employee is contributing. You can enter multiple savings cards for each savings type to allow different strategies to coincide with unique periods of a client's life. Right Capital offers 401k, Roth 401k, 403b, and Roth 403b savings cards, which will total employee contributions across these accounts and will be capped at the IRS maximum value, plus the additional catch-up provision for anyone over 50. 457 and Roth 457 contributions will also be capped at the IRS contribution limits. After-tax 401k cards can be used to show after-tax 401k savings, while solo 401ks are for self-employed clients with their own 401k plan. Total contributions to all defined contribution plans, employee plus employer, will be capped at the IRS maximum value. Right Capital also allows you to show traditional IRA contributions, SEP IRA, and simple IRA contributions. This includes the maximum IRS contribution limit and the different phase-out periods for income thresholds. You can control whether an IRA savings is funded if there is insufficient cash flows by adjusting the settings for each client. Right Capital also offers Roth IRA and backdoor Roth IRA contributions. HSA account savings are automatically distributed to fund medical expense needs. You can control whether HSA contributions are used to fund medical expenses immediately or upon first or second retirement within the settings area. HSA contributions are treated as W-2 deductions and will reduce the client's income prior to being reflected in wages on Box 7 of the projected 1040. Clients can also show 529 savings, and there are no limits in the system on contributions. You can control whether 529 savings are funded if there is insufficient cash flow within the settings area. Taxable savings are only available if you're using the modified cash flow or goals-based planning methods. If you are using the cash flow planning method, we calculate the taxable savings for you automatically. Within the other category, we have options like cash balance pension. This card is used to reflect outside contributions to a pension account. Anything entered as a part of cash balance pension card will be shown as an employer contribution. The deferred compensation card can be used to reflect employee contributions to a deferred compensation or pension account. Anything entered as a deferred compensation savings card will show under the planned savings in the cash flows and will reflect as additions to accounts under the pension column of the accounts tab. A profit-sharing savings card can be used to reflect employer contributions to a profit-sharing plan. These contributions will be reflected in the 401k, 403b column of the accounts tab in the cash flows area. Contributions to a profit-sharing plan are limited to 25% of the client's salary or self-employment income. Total contributions to all defined contribution plans will be capped at the IRS maximum value. The Employee Stock Purchase Plan Savings Card allows you to reflect purchase of shares in an ESPP. If the ESPP allows for the purchase of shares at a discount, you can enter the percentage discount as a part of the savings card. For example, if a client is spending $5,000 to purchase shares at 20% discount, this will increase the client's taxable account by $6,000. $5,000 contribution plus the $1,000 discounted value. Employee stock purchase plans will flow through the taxable accounts. You will see the value added in the net flows section of the summary page, just like you would see a taxable savings. Currently, ESPP contributions will be taxed like any other taxable assets. We do not factor in short-term capital gain rates for withdrawals within a year. Employee stock ownership plan savings can be used to reflect employer contributions to a profit-sharing plan. These contributions will be reflected in the 401k, 403b column of the cash flow reports. The tax-deferred savings card can be used to reflect outside contributions to the tax-deferred accounts. Anything entered as a part of a tax-deferred savings card will be shown as an employer contribution within the 401k, 403b column of the cash flows. The tax-deferred cards are not subject to IRS contribution limits. The tax-free savings card can be used to reflect outside contributions to a tax-free account. Anything entered as a part of the tax-free savings card will be shown as an employer contribution and reflected in the Roth 401k 403b column of the cash flows. As always, if there are any questions on creating different savings strategies or entering different savings options within the plan, please reach out to the Right Capital support team through the live chat feature on the bottom right side of your screen, or search Right Capital support options within the Help Center.